Namaste, Kamagani Jaipur, and so wonderful to be here tonight in this incredible city. Namaste, IFA, and what a night to be here. It is so incredible to be here with all of you. And before anything, I would just like to congratulate IFA for its 25 glorious years. एक तरफ IFA और दूसरी तरफ Nexa और हर तरफ इनकी partnership की success story. IFA and Nexa, two incredible brands came together with one shared vision for creativity and inspiration. Nexa is marking a decade of redefining the exclusive automotive buying experience. In my association with IFA, I have performed on many occasions and they have been filled with excitement and great experiences. Similarly, Nexa fuels the spirit of adventure by offering something new and exciting every time. And while Mr. Banerjee will tell us more about it, I would like to commend Nexa for going down the road towards sustainability, which is the need of the hour, and for using this platform to showcase the face of the future. Both Nexa and IFA believe in pushing boundaries, and I wish this partnership the very, very best for many years. And now, let's relive some of the most iconic moments from this incredible journey together.
The Nexa IFA Award.
Nexa.
Hi. Good evening, Jaipur. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, what an amazing crowd at Jaipur today. Welcome to IFA. Tonight is extra special because we are celebrating 25 years of IFA, a silver jubilee of cinematic magic. And not just that, Nexa has been part of this incredible journey for 10 amazing years. And that's a decade of style, innovation, and turning heads, just like your favorite Bollywood superstars. Now, we all know that cinema is more than just storytelling. It's about creating magic. It's a roller coaster of emotions and a source of inspiration. To create some unforgettable moments which stay with us forever, and thanks to IFA, this magic has traveled across the globe, making Indian cinema a worldwide sensation. Well, coming to unforgettable moments, owning a car is also an unforgettable moment. Think about it. What's one of the first thing you all do when you make it big in your life? Buy a new ride, right? It's a symbol of aspiration, success, and style. And as Karan Bhai would say, that it gives you that kuch hota hai moment. And at Nexa, we don't just build cars. We build that moment to all of you sitting here. We craft those premium experiences, as Katrina mentioned, for the superstar in you. Well, speaking of superstars, बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार्स को तो हम सब जानते हैं जो इस समय यहाँ मौजूद हैं. I would like to introduce you to another brand new superstar to the IFA stage, a superstar from the house of Nexa. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the all-electric SUV, the e-Vitara, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up with a vision for sustainable tomorrow. But wait, there's more. 40 years back, we started a revolution called Maruti Suzuki. तब हमारा एक ही मिशन था, to bring the cars to the door of common man across India. Maruti Suzuki has fulfilled that dream of many Indians, and today, as they say, India comes home in a Maruti Suzuki. Very powerful slogan. और आज हम फिर से एक नया revolution start कर रहे हैं. It's our E for Me initiative. इस revolution का एक ही मकसद है, to make electric vehicles move accessible to every Indian so that sustainability isn't just a dream, it's a reality for each one of you. And before we both of us wrap up, as Karan Bhai mentioned, let's celebrate one of the greatest partnership in entertainment world, the Jai Viru Jodi of IFA and Nexa. IFA is a legacy that started 25 years ago, where Karan's Bhai father, the legendary Yash Johar, was one of the guiding forces, along with the trio of Sabbas, Andre, and Viraf. Let's raise a toast to another 25 years of IFA magic and this partnership full of Bollywood madness and an electrifying future with the Nexa. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Karan bhai, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
Thank
है.
you.
Thank you, Partho, for being our
Thank you, sir.
trusted
Thank you for your
partners.
partnership. Thank you for your words. This partnership is so special to all of us at IFA. We are very, very honored to have you on our platform year on year. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Partho.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
नहीं वो
Cat, we
बीच
love
में आ
you.
गए.
बीच में मत आओ.
Thank you. देख के देख.